DreamHouse playset Barbie pets. And there's an elevator, a slide, a swing, food, a pool, and even a car. That is so crazy. And it says it has two-sided play.
Elevator goes up and down. That's so cool.
Yep, and they can slide into the pool.
Barbie
Let's get
is
right
really
into
stepping up her game.
Yeah.
Or their game.
Yeah, I'm really excited to get this open. And there's a car too, which I can't
Because you love
believe.
pets.
She
loves pets.
Yeah, and I love Barbie. Gotta cut this zip tie. Oh, there's another one. I'm gonna get the
So
house
we're
out.
going to unbox it.
Woo! Okay. Why is the house not coming out? Okay. This is really hard to open. The slide. It has paw prints on it. That's really cute, actually. What? This is... It has a frisbee. That's so cute. What is this? I think that's for our dog treats, but I don't know.
Yep, this is for dog treats.
But
And
I
then this
don't know
is
where
the
our
lid.
dog treats are.
I think there's two little bones.
Yeah, they might be still in there. I don't know. I really don't know. But yeah, they're supposed to like go on there. I put that backwards. Okay. Look at the car.
We had a really long day today, so.
Yeah, we did. I can't open it. I don't see the bones anywhere.
Are you sure that they even came? I'm sure they did.
The bones are supposed to come. It shows right there, the two bones.
They were up there. I think you probably dropped them. Do you want me to look?
We'll look for it after we get this out.
We're gonna go look for it.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
And of course, if I wasn't here, she would never find the bones. Oops, it's blurry. There they are.
Let's get the bones out for this. All right, put that there. Yeah. It's like a little food dispenser. All right, now we can throw that again on the floor.
Oh. That's nice. They got a car.
Ugh. This is what in the world? What is that? What? I'm so confused on how to. Oh. Okay. Don't really. I don't get the point of this.
The point is you have to struggle.
Yeah, that's the point. I want you to struggle. Finally!
By the way, I don't know why you're throwing stuff because you're gonna have to pick that up. Apparently she thinks that the whole room is a trash can.
Yeah, that's why I just like throw it because I'm like, whatever. Oh my god, there's even stairs up. You'll see it from the back in a second, but we have to get this off. Hold on.
You can't see.
Sorry about that, but I have to take this out, which I can't really do because it's not working. Okay. Cut.
Careful before your fingers stop working.
Stop working. Okay, so here it is from this side. This is a door, so it does open. And the elevator actually goes up
Oh my god.
And
that's
down.
very fancy.
and a swing and a garage. So let's set it up. We have to put our slide.
The dog wants to go this way.
I don't think she's the one who goes in the swing. I think he's the one who goes in the swing. Because it seems more perfect for it. They're not really sitting in the swing, which is okay. There we go.
So what else
Yay.
did we get?
The cars. She's gonna go in the car.
We have a pool.
Which we're gonna put the pool right here. So when they slide down, it's gonna go. And then that can stay there. I'm assuming they pee on this or something.
Yeah, that's what.
Frisbee.
Well, they're not supposed to, but I know dogs like to go everywhere.
Let's see. She's gonna vroom vroom up in there. All right, go up the elevator. Here, can you see her go up the elevator? Beep, 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 beep. Boop.
Oops.
Did he fall
Go
out?
down the slide.
Okay, hold on. We have to put the pool. Okay, turn around. Oh no, she scooted the whole pool. Let's see.
Come on, push her down. Wow.
What face first?
That was a fail.
Let's just see. This is how she was supposed to do it. Okay, that's how she was supposed to do it. Oh no. Why is he on top of the house?
What is this?
It's like a doggy door. Oh no. He's stuck on top of the house.
So what do you think about this toy?
So this toy is, see, it's like a doggy door. To go through there. And there's stairs and everything. And a bowl. This is so cute. It's like such a cute little play set. And it's adorable. I love it. I rated a 10 out of 10. I love everything that comes with it. And I love how it comes
Even
with two
though
dogs.
when they go on the slide, they go head down
"Oh."
first.
But it's okay. And then, yeah, it's just really, really cute set. I love it, and I love Barbie. So that is all I have for you today. But before I let you go, I want to give today's shout out. Drum roll, please. Today's shout out goes to Joshua Meek. So congratulations, you got the shout out for this video. And comment if you want to get a shout out on my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!